Character of Prospero, and in this point, I'll discuss how Prospero is a symbol of those missionaries, those white uh, structures, those white people's strategy to educate natives. For example, when Britishers came to India, they started missionaries uh, to look after poor people, to educate them. They opened St. Thomas's Church School, they opened St. Xavier's, Lamart's, and so many other schools. They were all opened by, most of them were opened by people who came to look after the downtrodden people. Now, Prospero wanted to educate Caliban. वो कैलिबन को पढ़ाना लिखाना चाहता था, उसको बताया this is a bigger light, this is a smaller light. He taught him how to speak and all. The question is, why did he do this? Did he do because he wanted Caliban to improve, or did he do it for his own benefit? ब्रिटिशर्स लोगों ने इंडियंस लोगों को इंग्लिश किस लिए सिखाया? Did they teach English so that Indians can develop? Did they teach so that Indians can grow, can achieve, can be, and can have? Or did they teach Indians English because they wanted their own benefit? Point number one. दूसरा सवाल ये है, they assumed that these natives cannot have meaning, they are not civilized, they are not educated, उनका अपना कोई language नहीं, Caliban का अपना कोई language नहीं, he is a Brutus, he talks in a weird sounds, तो उसको कुछ सिखाया जाए. क्या ये बात सही है? It may be that Caliban might have spoken his own native language. Or is it because a white man's language is superior that he believes that only my language is better? So here in this point, I'm talking about that Prospero represent all those people who come under the mask of educating, looking after poor, but they have one ulterior motive, and that is colonial expansion. That is imperialism. That is converting people to Christianity. That is making people speak their language and thereby increasing their number. वो कैलिबन का भला नहीं चाहते थे, वो अपना एक्सपेंशन चाहते थे, वो इंडियंस लोग का भला नहीं चाहते थे. They wanted their own imperialist agenda to fulfill. They wanted the whole colonial rule to expand. So Prospero is a representation of all those missionaries who come to educate people, जाहिल लोगों को पढ़ाते हैं, उनको एडुकेशन देते हैं. तो इसमें खराबी क्या है? खराबी एक्ट में नहीं, इंटेंशन में है. Caliban is educated by Prospero, इसमें कोई खराबी नहीं, but his intention is to make him slave, not to empower him. खराबी इसमें है. When Britishers were educating Indians, they were not trying to empower us, they were trying to make us better slaves. Intention नीयत पे है. So some people did become slaves and some people did not become slaves. So this garb, this mask of हम लोग natives लोग को सिखाए हैं is a stereotype opinion, because natives had their own culture, natives had their own language. Maybe it was not English, वो भोजपुरी होगा, गुजराती होगा, कुछ होगा, मारवाड़ी होगा, कैरिबियन आइलैंड का कोई, कैलिबन का कोई लैंग्वेज होगा, होगा कुछ नेटिव्स का लैंग्वेज. But thereby saying कि I gave you language is a half true, because the statement should be Prospero gave him English language. Language उसके पास होगा ही, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही. He might be speaking in some language. So Prospero represent all those people who take this credit that we educated masses, black masses, we educated natives. So Prospero represent those people who keep on boasting कि हम लोगों ने पढ़ाया, we educated the Indians, we educated Africans, we educated people in Middle East. So he is a representative of all those people who take this responsibility onto themselves कि हम लोगों का काम है सब लोगों को पढ़ाना English. So Prospero represent, to quote the critics, white man's burden. ये white man लोग का burden है, वो दिखाते हैं कि हम लोग को तुम लोग को पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. but actually they have their own ulterior motive in it. The motive is imperialism, colonial expansion. Motive is not to empower Caliban, not to empower natives. There's a subtle politics here.